22 degrees outside. Time for a 1967 Dodge Dart cold start. We're doing some shuffling. This Dart's been living in the trailer. That Dart needs to get in the trailer. Not too shabby. The old sewing machine came to life after a few cranks. I'll let her warm up for a little bit, but we're halfway there. And now, cold start, race dart. She cold-blooded. All right, we got it in there. I did it by myself. I usually have somebody guide me. So it probably could have been a little bit better, but I can get in and out of it. That's the important part. Next time you see this Dart, we'll be going down the quarter mile. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.